Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS margins. In our previous tutorial, we have discussed about some margins, but right now we'll be discussing about the CSS margin for the left margin individual side. So quickly, let's see how this works. Back to our document, as you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the right margin. And right now we will specify the left margin. Quickly, let's comment this out and use left margin quickly. Left margin, we are going to specify margin. Inside this, after the margin, we are going to specify the left margin is going to have 120 pixels. We are going to give it 120 pixels. Let's reload our document and see. Can you see now we are having left margin right here? You can practice this with different elements also. You can specify it with our body element also. Let's give our body element left margin. Save your document and reload your document. Can you see the whole document? And you can even give it more size. You can give it, let's get 220. Let's reload our document and see how it works. Can you see this image is right there because it's a fixed image? That's why I put this here so you can see how it reacts with different elements with different properties. As you can see, when we comment this out, we are going to see, you can check our CSS background playlist to be able to see how I did that. You can see when I comment it out and when I bring it back, you are going to see how it looks again. Now can you see when I bring it back? So practice this because practice makes perfect. Now we have used margin left, and what akorede ayofe is many once again. I will see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you.